Another day, another English lesson. Necessary preparations. Unless you'll never. Hello, everyone. Have you ever wanted to talk about the one thing that is necessary for success? In English, we have a powerful and useful pattern to do exactly that. It helps us connect a necessary action with a very important consequence. Let's learn how to use unless you'll never. Understanding the power of unless. Think of the word unless as a warning or a key. It introduces the one thing you must do to get the result you want. The second part of the sentence, you'll never, introduces the thing you want. This structure is a very strong and dramatic way to speak, but it's perfect for giving strong advice or for talking about necessary preparations. The structure is simple. Unless you plow, present simple verb, you'll never pluck base verb. Let's break it down again. Unless this introduces the condition. You need to do this to achieve the result. You'll never. This introduces the result you want to achieve. It says you will never achieve it without achieving the result in the first half. Here are some examples from everyday life. Unless you practice regularly, you'll never improve your pronunciation. The necessary preparation is practice. The result you want is to improve pronunciation. Unless you apply for the job, you'll never get it. Unless you hurry, you'll never catch the bus. This pattern is a fantastic tool to make your English sound more natural and persuasive. It shows that you understand how to connect actions and their results in a very clear and powerful way. Now complete the sentences with the clauses in parentheses. They are not always in the correct order. One, unless you plant seeds, you'll never see flowers grow. 2, unless you charge your phone, you'll never be able to make a call. 3, unless you try the local food, you'll never understand the culture. 4, unless you ask for help, you'll never solve this problem. 5, unless you study for the test, you'll never get a good grade. 6, unless you save some money, you'll never be able to buy a bike. 7, unless you look at the map, you'll never find the way. 8. Unless you turn on the light, you'll never find your keys. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.